good out there, guys. That's a beautiful flower. Amazing. It was not there before. I mean, the color is different. Really nice. And we are going home now. I finished my duty at a little tired today. Yeah, I finished the duty at 2 o'clock. Yeah, we are going home now. Oh, there is actually a shower there. I didn't notice that when I swim in this beach. We are now in the marina. I just took $250 from the ATM machine because today I need to pay for the house rent. It is a little bit hot today. No wind breeze. Yeah, actually the temperature is 30 degrees and humidity is around 40-50%. And at the moment there are many buses here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are some more on that side, and there are some more in there. Yeah, there are many tourists today. If you notice, there are the two big ferry are not there because they are in the sea. They are doing the whale watching and dolphin watching. I feel like swimming, but I don't have towel in my backpack. Yeah, that's the #1 rule. If you are living in this area, you should always have a towel in your car or in your backpack. Yeah, so that you can just swim anytime you want. Not like me. You know, I saw in one of the real estate advertisement that one of the unit in there is for rent, and $208, something like that, per week. Yeah. Maybe it's just I think it's just a 1-bedroom apartment. Normally it is like that. 1-bedroom apartment is ranging from that amount, 200, 250, 300. Okay, and we get home. You know, the temperature outside is similar to the temperature in Southeast Asia during summer, even in a shaded area. Good evening, guys. Yeah, it is now 5:30. Yesterday I am day off, but I didn't do much. I just walk around the shopping mall, and it was rainy actually. Yeah, and yeah, I just walk around the Kmart and in the shopping mall, and I bought these things, this, and this. Yeah. And then this morning I just walk around the Bay Area, and I had breakfast in the Bay, in the park. I had coffee, and just like that. But today I'm going to make a banana bread. Yeah, I appreciate the taste of the banana bread. That's why I have this self-raising flour. I also have a flour here somewhere there. Yeah, and I have 4 pieces of banana. Yeah, this thing will help me to make a banana bread. A very simple, basic. We are doing banana bread at work, but I don't know, we are not measuring when we are making banana bread. Yeah, just putting all together, all the ingredients, and that's it. And you can do the same. You can experiment and adjust the taste according to your preference, and that is how it works. Yeah, people has different tastes, so yeah. I have never seen any squared banana here in Australia. All bananas are like this, because you know, in the Philippines we have this kind of banana that is short and yeah, like square. And we normally use that for cooking, like deep fry, yeah, something like that. We call it saba. Yeah, that one. Okay, we start to do it now. Just 2 pieces because I don't have mold there. because I don't have anything to adjust this. I don't have milk or any cream here. I will add a little more banana. Okay, we put some water. At this stage, you can actually taste it, and then you can adjust the taste. It's good. Tastes like banana. Just a little. Yeah, that's it. Because I also bought this baking powder. I also have this dry yeast, but I don't think I need to use this. Not today. Maybe some other, in some other preparation. I'm now going to put this in the molder, but I don't have molder. So this one is going to be like a muffin. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's also put 1 piece of egg. I am a cook, but I didn't study culinary because when I was in the Philippines, I was studying, and at the same time I am working in the fast food restaurant. To be exactly, I was working in the French Baker. It's a bakery restaurant. Basically it's standard. They have recipe in everything that they prepare. They have measurement for everything that they prepare. Yeah. And that is how I started to become a cook. And then I moved to Dubai, also working in the kitchen. I started as a legumer. Legumer is like assistant chef, assistant cook. Like a Kumi 2, Kumi 1. And that is how I started as in the hotel industry. I think that's it. How about this? Where I'm going to put this? And this is my first time to use this oven. I don't know if this one. I think this is just like for pizza, like a toaster. I can see the heating rod. So not this one. I think this one. Because this one comes with that, the same like the oven in the workplace. I don't know how to use this. It's a little dusty, so we need to wipe a little bit. Yeah. Because the dust will go to the dust will go to the food, to the banana bread. This one is still new. I am the very first one to use this. Awesome. Okay, it is now 6 o'clock. This is the one. Oh, I can hear the sound. We put 180. I think it's okay. And also when I am cooking a muffin, when I'm making a muffin, it's 180 degree, and then around 15 minutes and it's ready. I hope it is going to be the same like that. Oh, look at that. It is expanding now. Yeah, I still have 6 minutes. Oh, the timer. Yeah, as I can see from here, is the color is still white. Okay, we adjust the temperature. We make it 250 just to give the nice color. The TV program today is about the Bondi Beach rescue, and Yeah, from here I can see the oven. So yeah, I'm watching both of them and the oven. I have my electric pan because it is hot. Not very hot. It is just right. Okay, the timer is again. It's like it's cold. It's not evenly cooked. This is have this color, and this one is plain like this. How about inside? Oh, inside is cooked also. So nice. Cool. But the taste. Tastes like banana muffin. Good morning, guys. Yo, my duty today is 2 o'clock. I still have long hours. Yeah, I'm going to prepare my breakfast. If you remember yesterday, I have some leftover muffin. Yeah, the banana, you know, banana was supposed to be banana bread that's become a muffin, banana muffin. And this is the leftover from from yesterday. What I'm going to do is to make it like a pancake. It is already burning on the other side. Oh, oh, nice. I like the color because yeah, it's toasted. This is like a flatbread.